Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Obviously I'm doing bad because look at my hair. It's dry and child, it's too brittle. My mother don't even wash my hair for a week. So I'm going to be using this therapeutic shampoo. Then I'm going to hit y'all with the answer. This is a 5-in-1 reconstructor. Without further ado, let's get started. Dad, now I got the shampoo in my hair. Can y'all see? My hair is white. And I'm going to tell y'all all about California. So we had lunch, we got ice cream, we went to the park, and there's something exciting. I went on the heights. I put one of the other kids in the pirate ship to not stay out of the pirate ship. And then they was like, help, 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 help. And I was like, no, you can't get help. And then when it was time for me to leave, I listened to my nana. And then we went, and then I had Christmas cookies. And my parents always leave when we're at Nana's house. They don't go out when we're at home. You see our home? It's because kids just need the insurance, that's all. If you just get on your horse yourself, you'll fall right back off. That's what I told my cousin. Gonna have a horse family, and his name's Taco, always Taco. And his name is always gonna be Taco because he's my best horse in the world. You see, guys, my hands are showing. Like, you just need the prophetic, okay? Kids just need the insurance, like I told you guys. Remember that. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go rinse and then we'll finish talking about Taco. This is my hair after the rinse. What do you guys think? If you haven't noticed, I'm using Kaleidoscope hair products. You use my code Jayde. Alright, back to talk about Taco. But first, I have to add the 5-in-1 into my hair. Alright, guys. And then, I didn't want to, and then I kept Brian Taco. My auntie said, you want to go some more? You want to go some more? And my mom said, give auntie attention. And then I was going to play with my cousin. And we both found a cat. And then I was saying, cat. And then I was saying, dog, go chase the cat. And then I was saying, and then my cousin was saying, no, this is my cat. Well, do you live next to the farm? No. Why do you have that cat? It's somebody else's cat though. Why are you rubbing it? Because I just love cat. Right, first we rub my hands in, and then we pull down again, pull them back, pull down, pull, nice and smooth. It's so nice, but I can also do, like, on the top of my hair, it gets like so smooth. You see, guys, I'm making it so smooth. And also, it's going to be so smooth in the dark. And I'm going to show everybody my new hair. It's not going to be new hair. Maybe I'm going to dye my hair. Shh, don't tell my mama. She cannot hear me. She's just changing Boogie. And make sure Boogie doesn't get out of her bed. And it's just me. My dad's in there watching Gang Gang Room. Alright, my parents used to do this when they was a little kid. I'll do it now. Gang Gang! Alright guys, first we have to start at the end so we don't pull your whole hair out. Alright, so we have to start at the end first. I'm a little bit too rough on my own hair. Not too rough. No. Too softy. That was just a horn. Don't be scared, you guys. Kaleidoscope can be used on all types of hair. Brown, pink, yellow, green, red, every type of hair. Like rainbow hair. Oh, rainbow's my favorite. pink and purple and blue. I mean, I'm just so it's gonna be at work by now. We get there.
Head back.
I'm gonna rock a beer. Yeah, mommy, daddy, mommy and daddy. Oh, crazy! Get off the back, crazy. It was so sad that we don't have a baby. Hey, mom, hey, good. Hey, son. Oh, no, we got a better son. His name is Cody. We're our family. Where's our son? I'm hugging them. We don't really like you anymore. Mom, look what happened. Ow!
Turn around, please.
Here. What hairstyle are you gonna do,
Head
Mom?
back. I don't know yet. The first one, you're gonna do it by yourself.
But I don't do hairstyles any good. Well, I do. I'm hungry. See? This is what my hair looks like after a final rinse. How do we think? Y'all think it. Alright, time to style.